Right now, you probably have WhatsApp on your phone, and today you will probably use it to send a password, a bank detail, or some gossip you really don't want anyone else to see. Those messages bounce off cell towers, travels through underwater cables, and land directly on massive servers owned by Mark Zuckerberg. But here's the crazy part. If a rogue Meta employee, the FBI, or a nation state hacker raided those server farms and copied your data, they would get absolutely nothing. Just pure mathematical garbage. So, how does WhatsApp route 100 billion messages a day without knowing what any of them say? They use a piece of cryptographic black magic called the Signal Protocol. And today we are going to rip it open and see how exactly it works. To understand why WhatsApp tech is so genius, you have to realize how terrible normal internet security used to be. When you log into a standard website, your data is protected by encryption in transit. Think of it like putting your messages in an armored truck. It is safe on the highway, no doubt. Nobody on the Starbucks Wi Fi can steal it. But where does that truck go? To the server, right? And the server has the key to the truck. It opens the door, reads your data, and processes it. So if a hacker breaches that particular server, they are sitting inside the vault and it's game over. So WhatsApp uses end to end encryption. In this model, the server is just the mailman. It carries the package, but it physically cannot open it. But how? By using asymmetric cryptography. So when you install the WhatsApp, your phone secretly generates two cryptographic keys using some insane math called elliptic curve cryptography. You get a public key and a private key. Think of your public key is like an open padlock. Your phone literally throws billions of these open padlocks up to the WhatsApp server. Anyone in the world can grab one. And think of your private key as a physical metal key. It never leaves your phone. It is buried deep inside your device secure hardware. So your friend wants to text you. Their phone grabs your open padlock from the server, snaps it shut around the message they want to send, and then hits send. Here's the kicker. Once that padlock clicks shut, the math is one-way street. Your friend cannot unlock it. The server cannot unlock it. A supercomputer guessing for a billion years cannot just unlock it. The only thing in the universe that can reverse that math is the private key sitting in your pocket. Okay, so the pipe is secure now. But hackers are very smart. They cannot break the math. They will steal the key. What if someone steal your phone, extract the master private key, and suddenly they have the power to read every single encrypted message you have sent for last 5 years? If WhatsApp used basic encryption, you would be cooked. But they don't. They use double ratchet algorithm. And behind the scene, WhatsApp uses trick called Diffie-Hellman key exchange. It allows two phones to mix their keys together over the internet to create a brand new shared secret key that even the server doesn't know. But they don't just do this once. They do this every single time you press send. So every time you send a text, the double ratchet spins. Message 1 is encrypted with key A. The second it arrives, your phone mathematically shreds key A, burns the ashes, and generates key B. So now the message 2 uses the key B, and then key B is also destroyed. And cryptographers call this forward secrecy. Because of this ratchet, which only turns one way, even if the most elite hackers on the earth steals your phone today and extract your current key, it's useless. They can only read just one or two messages. All the keys from yesterday, last month, and last year literally do not exist anymore. They are ghosts. The math is flawless. The Signal protocol is arguably the greatest piece of software ever written for human privacy. So how does WhatsApp chat get leaked to the press? How do criminals get caught? Because the hackers don't attack the encryption exactly. They attack you. If you back up your chats to the Google Drive or iCloud, let's say, without turning the encrypted backups, you just handed all your decrypted messages to Apple or Google. Or, let's say, if you download a shady app, malware can just screen record your phone while WhatsApp is open. So, encryption guarantees the delivery track won't be robbed, but it cannot stop a spy from just looking over your shoulder while you read the letter. So, cryptography protects the data in transit. But what happens when a hacker bypasses the math entirely and infect your phone's memory to read the screen before the encryption even happens? That is the terrifying world of zero-click exploits and memory corruption. And we are going to tear that apart in some of the next videos. So subscribe this channel and stay secure out there, and I'll see you there. And remember, we'll keep it simple.